Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna see how to change the color of your Google Home Assistant. So, if you live in Italy, like me, you can buy only the white version. And if you hate the white like me, what you can do to change the color of this little house assistant? You can buy some Dbrand Skin. So, what's Dbrand? Dbrand is not a product, it's a culture. Dbrand is famous for smartphone skin. Here, the matrix skin for my Pixel 2. They are really nice. And they are starting to do skin also for Google Home. So we're gonna take a look on how apply them on your Google Home Assistant. So in the box you can find a cleaning cloth that you can use to clean your Google Home Assistant before applying the label. The fist you have to take is the top one. So you remove one part, you align perfectly on the microphone hole. I hope you don't have the Parkinson like seems I have. So press, remove the other part and press. Okay, so it seems that I have do something wrong because there's a millimeters of difference. So also off. Okay, you align the two holes of the microphone and press. Okay. So, it's better looking now. Oh, you have to do the same on the back. You have to align. Okay. You have to align the hole of the mute button and to the hole of the microphone on the back, and also the Google logo. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. We're just done. Align here. Then find the hole. I can find the hole. Okay. Find the hole. Here the hole. Here the Google logo, and it's not perfect. Oh, what the fuck? Entering the two holes and the first Google logo. Okay, it seems done it. Okay, so now you have to follow the bottom line. Okay, you can remove it. Following the bottom line of your device. stretch a little bit, and we have done. Yeah. Oh, take the cloth again. And so here we are, guys. It's better now. We have a Camo Google Home Assistant. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this unlucky video, and see you next time. See you next video, and like it if you like it, subscribe, follow me also on Instagram and Facebook, and see you next time. Bye.